Hello, welcome to week 8. This week we will learn about the Congress. Who makes federal laws? Congress. Congress is the group of people in Washington, D.C. who make federal laws. That means they make laws for the whole country. They are also called the legislative branch. Legislative. This is the long name for Congress. This is the short name. So for this question, you can answer Congress or you can answer legislative branch. It's easy to say Congress. This is the Congress building. Where is this building? It's in Washington, D.C. It is very big. The White House looks similar, but the White House is very small. The Congress building is very big, but it is located very near to the White House. What is Congress? What is the legislative branch? Congress is the branch of government that makes the laws for all the states. What are the two parts of Congress? There is the House of Representatives and there is the Senate. Okay? These are the two parts of Congress. Congress is one thing, but there are two parts. What are the two parts of Congress? The Senate and the House. You can also say the House of Representatives, but people say the House for short. What is the House of Representatives? Here is a picture of where the people who work in the House of Representatives do their work. The House of Representatives is a group of 435 congressmen and congresswomen. The people in their states vote them into office every 2 years. So a representative will work for 2 years before they need to run for re-election. What does the House of Representatives do? The House of Representatives writes and passes new laws. In Oregon, we have 6 different districts. Every state has a different number of districts, and so they have a different number of representatives. How many representatives are there in the entire United States? Well, there are 435 voting members of the House of Representatives. We elect a U.S. representative for how many years? For 2 years. How many representatives do we have in Oregon? Well, Oregon has 6 districts, so we have 6 state representatives. Some states get more representatives because they have more people. Here are 2 out of the 6 representatives. This one is Suzanne Bonamici, and this one is Earl Blumenauer. Here are 2 more of the 6 representatives. Lori Chavez DeRemer and Andrea Salinas. Suzanne Bonamici is the representative for District Number 1. District Number 1 includes Beaverton, Tigard, Hillsborough, Northwest Portland, Astoria, and Seaside. Oh, there's her picture right here. District 3 is run by Earl Blumenauer. This is a long name, but to make it easy to say, I wrote smaller words. Blue, men, hour. Blumenauer. Earl Blumenauer is a representative for North Portland, Southeast Portland, Northeast Portland, Southwest Portland, Gresham, and Sandy. Okay, so this whole area is Earl Blumenauer. District 5, the representative is Lori Chavez de Reamer, and she is a representative for Bend, Canby, Lake Oswego, and Oregon City. It's this area here. District 6, we have Andrea Salinas. She is the representative for people who live in Newburgh, part of Tigard, Tualatin, Salem, Wilsonville, Woodburn, and McMinnville. Finally, if you are a Washington resident, you have Marie Glusenkamp Perez. So she's the representative for parts of Vancouver, Camas, and Skamania. If you're not sure who your representative is, you can click this link and type in your zip code. And click Look Up, and they will tell you who your representative is. There it is, Earl Blumenauer. So here you can enter your zip code and find your representative. Oregon has 6 districts, so we have 6 state representatives. Some states get more because they have more people. For example, California has 52 districts, so they have 52 representatives. The population of California is bigger than Oregon. Therefore, they have more. Bigger state, more people, more representatives. Here is your test question. Why do some states have more representatives than other states? Choose one of the 2 options. Because they have more people, or because they have a bigger population. Name your U.S. representative. So remember, you need to find out who your representative is because it is different depending on where you live. In Oregon, your representative could be Suzanne Bonamici, Earl Blumenauer, Lori Chavez Reamer, Andrea Salinas, or if you live in Washington, maybe Marie Glusenkamp Perez. Please remember your representative and write their name down on your flashcard. So, remember, there are 435 voting members of the House of Representatives. So, we need to have a leader. The leader is called the Speaker of the House. The Speaker of the House is the leader of the House of Representatives. This person is very important and meets with the president often. Do you know who is the current Speaker of the House of Representatives? Our current Speaker of the House is called Kevin McCarthy. Kevin McCarthy. 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 There is his picture. What is the name of the Speaker of the House of Representatives now? Kevin McCarthy. He will be the Speaker of the House for the next 2 years, or until 2025. The U.S. has 2 main political parties. What are they? That's right, Democratic and Republican. Democratic, like Joe Biden, there is the donkey. The Democratic Party is blue. The Republican Party is red. This is their symbol, the elephant. Republican Party, like Donald Trump. What are the 2 major political parties in the United States? Good job. The Democratic Party and the Republican Party. So here are some facts about the House of Representatives. They make federal laws. There are 435 voting members, and they serve for 2 years. Okay, now let's talk about the Senate. This is the other part of Congress. The Senate. What is it? Well, the Senate also writes and votes on new laws. A senator is a person who votes for all the people in their state. And each state has 2 senators. How many senators does Hawaii have? 2. How many senators does California have? 2. How many senators does New York have? 2. How many senators does Oregon have? 2. So you get the idea. Every state gets 2 senators. So that means we have 100 total senators. 50 states times 2 senators each equals 100. And don't forget, a senator serves for longer. Senators serve for 6 years, not 2 like the representatives. So how many U.S. senators are there? 100. Who are Oregon senators? So you need to know the name of one senator from Oregon. Here are 2 senators from Oregon. We have Ron Wyden, and Jeff Merkley. So you need to write down one senator's name and remember their name. Don't forget, a senator serves for 6 years before they need to run for election again. We elect a U.S. senator for how many years? 6 years. And who does a U.S. senator represent? Remember, they represent just the people in their state, all the people. Not just one city, not just one county, but they represent all the people in their state. Who does a U.S. senator represent? All the people in their state. Who is one of your state's U.S. senators now? So just